Hello, my name is Ben Cook and today I'm going to be talking to you about our brand new product, which is Management Studio. So what is Management Studio? It's a solution which enables organisations to understand their IT estate and execute change programs with minimal risk and high efficiency. So how does it work? Well, we've got the four key pillars, which are capture, control, communicate and collaborate. And I'll talk through each of these so you get a bit of an understanding of how the tooling can add value. Well, let's start out with the capturing of data. So how do we do that? We use data connectors to pull in data from sources such as Active Directory and Config Manager so that we can understand who's out there and what they're up to. So that might be a device readiness report. For example, I've got a Windows 11 readiness report here, so we can understand which of our devices are ready for Windows 11. Or it might be that we want to understand a user, their department and their applications and so on, and we can do that by taking a look at the toolset now. So here is Management Studio, and I'm going to take a look at my user migrations. Now within my user migrations, I'm able to look at the different departments through blueprints. So I'm going to choose a department here, and now I can see all of the users within that department. Now the first user on the list here is Robin Hart. If I take a look at Robin by double clicking on him, I can start to drill into that captured data, for example by looking at the applications that he's been using, the devices he's been using, his shared mailboxes he has access to, and maybe his mobile devices as well. And this is incredibly powerful when it comes to understanding who's out there and what they're up to, so that you can plan for those change programs. Now, in terms of the communication, we've got the ability to send out HTML templated emails, which might be as simple as a welcome to the project, or it might be with a self-scheduling link. Here's an example of an email that we might send out, inviting an end user to complete a survey. And let's take a look at this user's survey. The survey link here will open up that user's survey, where we can see exactly how that would look. And we can see here we're asking Robin to fill in the survey to validate all of that data that we have collected. In terms of the collaboration piece, the tooling allows us to first of all manage multiple programs simultaneously. In here I can see the different programs I've got set up. So I've got a cloud migration, an Office 365 update, a Windows 10 update, and also a migration to Windows 11, where that readiness report is going to be really useful. Collaboration is also about engaging with the end users, so it might again be through surveys or doing self-scheduling. So we've got the ability to ask users when they would like that change to be executed in terms of maybe their device or their account, and that can all be done through templated emails and again surveys. In terms of control, we've got a huge amount of automation that's built into the product. This allows you to do tasks such as automatically move a user into a different workflow process when they've completed their survey. So if I come back into my user migrations, we can see the sorts of processes we might have in the workflow here. It might be that we need to add a user's machine to a certain OU or to a certain collection when that machine is ready for migration, and there are lots of other automation opportunities out there as well to add more value to this organisation. Over the coming weeks, we're going to have more videos talking about more details on the product and how it all works, so please do stay tuned. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks very much.